Hey guys, Omarete Vilato. Today we're gonna make some French toast. We're gonna make it quick. I got my coffee running. So I already posted a few videos me making some French toast. I'm gonna do another one. So okay, I got my eggs, I got my vanilla, I got my cinnamon, I got my whipped cream, but that's for later. That's when the French toast is done. Once again, cinnamon, vanilla. I got ground nutmeg. We're not gonna add none today. I got my bread. My bread over here. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to the mix. A little bit, not too much over here. There you have it, just a little bit. You see it? It's a little bit. You get some napkins, some paper towels, so I don't have to make a mess. Now, if you don't see me, because I put the camera at an angle where so I could prepare the mix for the French toast. Okay. I'm gonna add 2 eggs. Ooh, one of them just broke on me. Great. Ooh, I made a mess, guy. I made a mess. Oh boy. That's why you got paper towels. Made a freaking mess. That's okay. It's all good. Let's continue. Okay, let's get another eggs. Let's crack them. Put them in there. Take this out of here real quick. Oh boy. That's why I say you gotta get paper towels when this stuff happens. No paper towel. Okay, I'm gonna put in the mix. Gonna add some, if you can see it, some cinnamon. You could be liberal with this, doesn't matter. Okay, you don't have to, but I'm gonna add a little bit, 1 drop of vanilla, just 1 drop, not too much. Here we go, 1 drop. I don't know if you hear my coffee in the background. Then I'm gonna stir it. I like to make sure everything is clean. Next time, when you're gonna make French toast, make sure that you get a bigger container because the bread. Let me show you guys. The bread, this one is okay. The bread has to fit in there perfectly, okay? This one is pretty good. Let me add a little bit more milk because when I drop 1 egg, the mix is not too consistent, so I want to make it more liquidy. Want a little bit of milk. You don't have to. You start mixing. This is very straightforward French toast mix. Remember, cinnamon, vanilla, eggs. I put 2 because it's only gonna be only me. If you have more than 1 people eating French toast, let's say 4 or 5 people, then you put like four eggs. If you see the mix need a little bit more cinnamon, just add a little bit more cinnamon. Nothing to it. I got my pan ready. I normally put butter on it. You could add a little bit of oil if you want to. Not with the butter. You could add butter or oil. I normally use butter. Okay, so follow me for more. I'm gonna show you how I do my stuff. This is me making French toast in the morning. So let's get ready to it. Okay, I got my pan on the stove. I'm gonna put it in medium high. I'm gonna put my butter on it. See? Right there. I'm gonna do it lower to the butter. Okay, I got my bread ready to go. This bread had like a little piece of paper on the side. So I'm gonna take it off. Okay. Sure you do that if you buy this type of bread. I buy this bread at Trader Joe's. I'm gonna put it in the mix. Both ends of the bread. Let me raise the fire a little bit. Then you put your bread on the pan and leave it alone. If you want to raise it higher a little bit, let me make it a larger. I got strawberries. I like to eat my French toast with strawberries. I don't have them inside the French toast. I put them separate. It tastes better. That's the way I eat my stuff. I'm gonna chop it off. Let me turn this. See how it's coming out? It's the way it's supposed to look. Almost got burned, guys. I almost burned it. Get this out of here. Look how it looks. It got burned. It got burned from this side, but it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. I'm gonna show you how I decorate my French toast plate. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I put the strawberry in the sides. I have done like quite a few videos about this breakfast. I enjoy cooking my breakfast. A little bit more round of strawberries in the side. I'm gonna grab this, put it in the middle. See how it's coming along. See, let me flip it so it will look that ugly. I got a few more to go. Now I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs. So let's see how this come out. I mean, this is easy stuff to make. I'm recording using one hand, cooking with the other hand. It's very difficult, but I'm trying to make it good so you guys can see it and enjoy it. So stay tuned. Let's continue. There's my eggs. I'm gonna make a scramble. I eat my French toast with eggs. This is my morning breakfast. French toast, that's my favorite breakfast. French toast with scrambled eggs and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I add a cup of juice, but today I'm not gonna have no juice. Just coffee, French toast, and eggs. Okay guys, this is my breakfast. You could see the scrambled eggs, the French toast with strawberry. I got my coffee over here. I use maple syrup. I don't use regular syrup. I use maple syrup, the best. And to top it off, I will add a little bit of whipped cream.